Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the wall safe and reachable. Turn off power and remove outlet covers so you can work over the entire surface. Lay down plastic sheeting and tape seams to protect the floor. Next, score the wallpaper lightly across the pattern with a seam roller or scoring tool. This makes channels so the remover can soak through. Once done, mix your remover solution or prepare hot water. Scoring is the first actionable step that lets liquid reach the glue beneath. You now dissolve the adhesive and lift the paper. Apply wallpaper remover or a 1-to-1 hot water and fabric softener mix using a pump sprayer. Saturate the scored areas. Work in 3 by 3 foot sections so the solution stays wet. Wait 5 to 15 minutes depending on how stubborn the glue is. Then use a 2-inch flexible putty knife held flat to the wall and push under seams. Scrape gently to peel paper and backing off without gouging gypsum. Repeat until the section you finish by removing paste and repairing the wall. Scrub remaining adhesive with warm water and a sponge, or use a TSB substitute for stubborn paste. Make sure to rinse thoroughly so no residue remains. Once dry, sand any raised paper fibers and fill gouges or nicks with spackle, then sand smooth. If paint or new paper is planned, apply a stain-blocking primer to seal the surface. If adhesive won't come off, wet it again and repeat the soak and scrape cycle. Patience prevents damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.